My name is Chris Smith and I'm the Operations Manager here at Express Bifolding Doors. We provide training and professional development programs to ensure all of our staff can deliver on our commitment to high standards of health and safety and our industry-leading quality standards. Everyone at Express has a can-do attitude, enabling us to run an efficient factory to supply outstanding products and service to our customers' requirements. All of our products are individually inspected by our experienced quality control department. We have a fantastic relationship with all of our key suppliers, which means we receive our raw materials on time and to a high quality specification, ensuring your dream project runs to schedule. We continue to make significant investments in state-of-the-art machinery to ensure that we can deliver accurate products with minimum impact to the environment.